The boom of new construction in Central Florida, why it's the best time to buy. Central Florida is experiencing an unprecedented construction boom, with over 30 major and smaller builders transforming the region into one of the most vibrant real estate markets in the United States. From large master-planned communities to boutique developments, millions of people continue to move to Florida, drawn by the lifestyle, economic opportunities, and world-class amenities. With Orlando evolving into a true international city, this is your golden opportunity to invest in a new home. Why new construction in Central Florida makes sense. Modern designs and features. Builders like D are Horton, Lennar, Pulte, Toll Brothers, Meritage, and KB Homes, among others, are incorporating the latest trends in home designs. Expect energy-efficient appliances, smart home systems, and open-concept layouts tailored to modern lifestyles. Low maintenance costs. New homes come with builder warranties, reducing the risk of unexpected repairs and giving you peace of mind for years to come. Customization options. Many builders allow you to personalize your home from flooring to countertops so it matches your style and needs. Prime locations. Developments in Hamlin, Lake Nona, Clermont, Winter Garden, and beyond are strategically located near major highways, top-rated schools, and Central Florida's world-famous attractions. Builder incentives. Builders often offer exclusive financing programs and incentives, such as reduced closing costs and interest rates, which can make buying a new home more affordable than you'd expect. Why millions are moving to Florida and the population numbers are expected to grow substantially still. No state income tax. Florida's tax-friendly environment attracts individuals and families looking to maximize their income. Year-round sunshine. The sunny climate is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Proximity to world-class attractions. Living near Disney, Universal Studios, and endless entertainment options is a dream for many. Diverse job market. As Orlando grows into a global hub, opportunities in tourism, technology, healthcare, and more continue to expand. Why you need a real estate agent when buying new construction. When you walk into a builder's sales office alone, remember this. The friendly sales representative works for the builder, not you. Their priority is to protect the builder's profit margins, not to advocate for your best interests. Here's why partnering with me as your agent is essential. No cost to you. Contrary to popular belief, using a real estate agent doesn't cost you extra. Builders factor agent commissions into their marketing budgets. Going without an agent won't save you money, but could cost you valuable advice and negotiation power. Expert negotiations. I understand the market and can negotiate for additional upgrades, better pricing, or closing cost assistance that you might not secure on your own. Builder comparisons. With over 30 builders in the area, I'll help you compare options, find the best value, and avoid pitfalls like hidden fees or less desirable locations. Streamlined process. From paperwork to inspections, I'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Advocating for your best interests. Builders are focused on selling homes. I'm focused on ensuring you get the right home for your needs and budget. Why you should choose me as your real estate agent. As a seasoned realtor in Central Florida, I specialize in new construction and have deep connections with local builders. My knowledge of the area and market trends ensures that I can guide you to the best communities and deals. Here's why I stand out. Extensive local expertise. I know the ins and outs of the Central Florida market, from up-and-coming neighborhoods to established communities. Proactive approach. I'll save you time by narrowing down the best options before you even step foot in a model home. Unmatched dedication. Your satisfaction is my priority. I'll go above and beyond to ensure you feel confident in your decision. Specialized knowledge. I stay up to date on builder incentives, financing options, and market trends so you don't miss a single opportunity. The time to act is now. Central Florida's real estate market is thriving with thousands of new homes being built every year. Whether you're looking for a starter home, a luxury lakefront property, or something in between, now is the perfect time to make your move. Let me be your guide in navigating this exciting market so you can find the home of your dreams. Ready to get started? Contact me today to explore the best new construction options in Central Florida. Choosing the right agent is key to making your home buying journey smooth and successful. With my deep knowledge of the market, connections with builders, and commitment to your best interests, I'll ensure you get the best value and experience. Let's work together to find your dream home, because you deserve expert guidance every step of the way. Call or text 321-765-3033 or visit our website, myperfectdreamhome.com.